Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, TikTok, and like clockwork, it seems to be taking them away one by one. Guys, I bring you this. Mamman Daura, Nigerians react as Buhari's nephew is reportedly flown abroad for urgent treatment. So we're back there again, another one of the cabal. So Abba Kyari, of course, we already know, and a plethora of them, Funtua, etc. So the next one on the list, of course, Mamman Daura. Again, the headline, Mamman Daura, Nigerians react as Buhari's nephew is reportedly flown abroad for urgent treatment. So now let's now find out the details of this. Some Nigerians have reacted to reports of Mamman Daura, President Muhammadu Buhari's nephew, being flown abroad for urgent medical attention. The 79-year-old was said to have been flown to the United Kingdom, UK, on a private jet on Wednesday. Daura, who is believed to be a member of the alleged cabal in the presidency, was said to have been experiencing respiratory difficulties with C-19-related symptoms since last Friday. However, Nigerians expressed different views concerning the report. Whilst some said Daura and those close to power suffering medical issues should not be sympathized with, others are of the contrary opinion. So here are just a sample of some of the opinions. Here is Kings Buchi. Kings Buchi is the first commentator. As long as they refuse to do the needful, none of them deserves our sympathy. You quickly forget that these same Nigerians mourn over the death of the likes of Yar'Adua and Dr. Adadevoh. Maybe you should check the integrity and patriotism of the persons involved. Why fly Mamman Daura? So I don't understand that, but that is what this person said. The next one up is Chibuzo. Chibuzo, the next commentator. Presidency considering reaching out to Nnamdi Kanu for peace as Mamman Daura's health worsens in the UK. So that's obviously some IPOB person putting an IPOB spin on it. So Ncheks is the next person. Ncheks, Mamman Daura has embarked on an emergency medical trip to the United Kingdom. There is no good hospital in Nigeria, so politicians get flown to the United Kingdom whenever they fall sick. Aisha Buhari was also flown to Dubai last week to treat ordinary neck pain. Nigeria is irredeemable. So Nigeria is irredeemable is how this person rounds it off, and so say all of us. Maurice Monye is the next commentator. The last of the three-member cabal, Mamman Daura, is outside the country for urgent medical attention. I wonder what is going on in the mind of Malam Buhari. So he said President Buhari, of course, but I'm reading that as Malam Buhari. So panic stations I'm expecting from Malam Buhari. Holu Dare is the next one up. The truth about Buhari's cabal, Mamman Daura and co going for medical attention every now and then is they are aged people, they are very old. That is the honest to God truth. Let me ask you, what is more important to your 75-year-old grandpa now other than sleep and medical check? So these people really, and if you imagine that this guy is 79 and Buhari is 80-something, and the average age in Nigeria is early 30s to late 20s, then that just tells you all you really need to know. Kante Sest is the next person to comment. People from a particular region are jubilating about Mamman Daura's health, wishing death upon him and the president. Hope this hatred that has consumed you people translates to presidency in 2023, else it will be a pity. So obviously a northern voice, because of course that's the coloration of that comment. The last one is Nasir Aguhu, Nasir Aguhu, is the next commentator and the last commentator. With private jet, so freaking what? You serial sociopath. Do you know who M. Daura is? Maman Daura managed the new Nigerian from 1969 to 1975 and a prominent member of the infamous Kaduna Mafia, a group of Nigerian businessmen, civil servants, military officers, and intellectuals. So I'm not quite sure how intellectual the Kaduna Mafia is, but there you have it. Maman Daura apparently flown to the United Kingdom this time around, because I think now the UK has opened their borders. So let's not actually catch that story from the top, because that was just the reaction to it. So it's a double whammy that I'm giving you now with the second headline. And the second headline is Buhari's nephew Maman Daura reportedly flown abroad for urgent medical treatment. So let's just see now, because this is when the story first broke. Maman Daura, a nephew to President Muhammadu Buhari, has reportedly been flown to the United Kingdom for urgent medical treatment, according to Sahara reporters. The 79-year-old top confidant of the president was said to have been taken to the United Kingdom in a private jet on Wednesday. He was said to have been experiencing respiratory difficulties with C-19 related symptoms since last Friday. Maman Daura Former is a member of the cabal influencing decisions at the seat of power. The former journalist is said to have had a history of renal crisis and had regularly visited the United Kingdom for medical checkup. So who pays for that is the first question, but of course he can afford to pay for it, of course, having been signing checks to himself for 5 years from the Central Bank of Nigeria. But then of course Maman Daura will always have his bills paid by Malam Buhari anyway, so Nigerian coffers will pay for that. But now this guy has now been taken to the United Kingdom because they are determined now to rescue this last one. But how is that rescue going to take place, and is it going to be successful, is the thing. We wish him well, because you cannot wish ill on anyone. But there you have it now. So like flies they are dropping. They have not taken him to an Ikoyi hospital this time around, because the United Kingdom, they've managed to open a corridor for him to come into the country via private jet, and then he will be met at the tarmac with an ambulance and taken to some hospital that they are paying like about 10 million a day or something, just for this one guy, because of course it's Malam Buhari's relative. And bear in mind, by the way, this guy is not a government functionary, is not an elected anything. Nobody elected him for any position in Nigeria, and he wasn't even appointed into any position in Nigeria. He just happens to be Malam Buhari's nephew, and that is sufficient enough for him to have all of the largesse that is the Nigeria state at his behest. Conversations in the comment section. TikTok. The Father Time seems to be taking them one by one. But what says you regarding this guy now? I'm just being mindful of the language that I'm using, because I don't want to wish ill upon anybody. But then of course we all know the antecedents of this particular scenario. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come tell me then what you're making of these private jets in the middle of the night for Maman Daura. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.